in Midland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Pecos County in southwestern Texas, east central Reeves County in southwestern Texas, Ward County in western Texas, until 7:45 p.m. Central Time. At 6:38 p.m. Central Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 16 miles south of Piode, or 20 miles east of Pecos, moving east at 10 miles an hour. Hazard, ping pong ball size hail and 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Monahans, Thorntonville, Grand Falls, Barstow, Piode, Wickett, Royalty, Coinosa, VF Goodrich Testing Track, Imperial Reservoir, Roy Hurd Memorial Airport, and Monahan Sand Hills State Park. This includes Interstate 20 between mile markers 49 and 85. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.